United 35 Heavy, contact NorCal departure. Good day.
Over to NorCal, good day, United 35 Heavy. NorCal, good morning, United 35 Heavy, climbing 3000.
Departure radar contact, climb maintain, flight level, actually make it 10,000, maintain 10,000.
United 35 Heavy.
VASAM 151, go around.
Go around, VASAM 151.
VASAM 151 Heavy, thanks. The last departure lost the wheel on departure, so we're going to have to shut the runway down. So fly runway heading and maintain 3000.
Roger, VASAM 151.
Omnipon 7 Heavy, we're going to have to close runway 28 right, so exit at Charlie 2 and loop back around. The United will wait for you.
Roger, Charlie 2, target runway, Omnipon 7 Heavy, and confirm right down.
Omnipon 7 Heavy, affirmative, the United on the right will wait for you.
Alright, thank you, Omnipon 7 Heavy.
American 164, 7 turning 1 right, line up and wait, traffic landing west.
Line up and wait, 1 right, American 164. Do you guys know where that tire was?
No, so it's probably going to be a few minutes for you guys.
Okay, American 164, line up and wait, 1 right.
Op 33, are you out there ready to do an inspection of 28 right?
Sure, Sierra 1.
Op 33, thanks. Omnipon will be exiting the runway. Proceed on runway 10 left, cross runway 1 left, cross runway 1 right.
United 35 Heavy, connect Oakland Center 125.85.
It's 35 Heavy, good day. Oakland, good morning, United 35 Heavy, climbing 7,000 for 10,000.
At 35, over center, climb and maintain level 230.
Climbing flight level 230, United 35.
Tower, Moxie 258, ILS 2A right.
Moxie 258, Sense Tower, runway 28 right is temporarily closed, so go around, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
Go around 3000, Moxie 258.
Tower Delta 977, ILS 28 right.
Delta 977, Sense Tower, runway 28 right is temporarily closed. Runway 28 right continue and plan for the go around. I'll let you know as soon as I can if that's going to happen.
Okay, we'll plan for a go around Delta 977.
Moxie 258 heading runway heading and maintain 3000.
Runway heading 3000, Moxie 258.
Moxie 258, contact departure 135.1.
35-1, Moxie 258.
Yes, VASAM 151, contact departure 135.1.
35-1, good day, VASAM 151.
United 35, NorCal just called, said the tower called them, that they think it might have been you, they're not sure, but you might have lost a wheel on takeoff.
Okay, United 35, thanks. And Oakland, United 35.
Good.
Yeah, we're talking with company and they're trying to determine if the issue, if it was indeed our tire. We don't have any indications here on board that it was, but for right now we're going to continue.
35, thanks. NorCal just called, they said someone on the ground reported they think they saw something come off the aircraft. They weren't 100% sure if it was a tire or something else. They're doing a runway sweep, and I'll let you know as soon as I hear back if they find anything.
Thank you. Appreciate any information you can give us.
Delta 977, go around, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
Runway heading 3000, Delta 977.
Tower United 354, LS 2A right.
United 354, Sunstro Tower, go around, fly runway heading and maintain 3000.
Go around, fly runway heading up to 3000, United 354.
At 354, thanks. We had to close the runway because somebody lost a tire on departure, so it's going to be a few minutes.
Roger.
Delta 977, contact departure 135.1.
So departure 35-1, Delta 977.
Do I have an ops vehicle that's available to inspect the ones real quick, just so that we can keep departing, please?
San Francisco Tower, United 2480, RNF Zulu 2, right?
Ops 36, did I not hear you correctly? Are you going to do the inspection of the ones or what? Ops 36, okay, proceed on runway 1 left. That traffic will be in position. Cross runway 28 left, cross runway 28 right. Yeah, 2480 Sense Tower, go around, fly runway heading and maintain 3000. United 2480.
Go ahead for United 2480.
United 2480, go around, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
United 2480 going around up to 3000.
United 354, contact departure 135.1.
35-1, Unit 354.
United 35, climb and maintain Delta 340.
Climb on to flight level 340. I'd like to put 320 on request for United 35.
United 35, let's climb and maintain Delta 320.
Climb to flight level 320. Thank you, United 35. Los Angeles Tower, good afternoon, United 35 Heavy, pan, visual 25 left.
United 35 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, wind 220 at 9, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 25 left, United 35 Heavy.
United 35 Heavy, I've been getting some inquiries up here about your intentions upon landing. Are you going to want to stop on the runway?
That is correct, sir.
And you're planning to be towed off?
Yes, sir. We already talked to the company. They're sending a move crew.
Understood. Thank you. ARF-1, next to land, runway 25 left.
LA Tower, ARF-1, copy, next to land, 25 left.
And United 35 Heavy, I inform you that emergency vehicles are on frequency.
Thank you, sir.
United 35 Heavy, do your intentions remain the same? You just want to hold there?
Yes, sir. We'd like the fire chief to inspect the gear.
Yep, 05, United 35 Heavy, roger.
And R2, United 35 Heavy. We're not showing any indications abnormal from our end.
Yes, sir. So right now, doesn't look like there is any damage to the aircraft at all. Anything that we show on our heat sensors all shows normal as well.
Okay, we concur with the heat sensor indication. Thank you for the update on the tire situation. R2, as always, you guys are the best.
Yes, sir. Anytime. We'll stay with you. We'll stay at your 6 o'clock and follow you back to the gate to ensure it.
And R2, we're going to coordinate with Tower for a tow for the rest of the way. Alrighty, we're going to request the tow from this position.
United 35 Heavy, roger.